I'm so excited to reveal this master suite and show you guys all the details that we've been working on. Okay, so the bedroom initially was so outdated, and when we walked in for the first time, I just remember seeing this purple and brown carpet and old everything. So we knew immediately that we needed to, well, update everything, but also reorient the room. We took what was their original bed wall and we made it adjacent. And by doing that, we captured the view that was outside, and we put in some new bifold doors that really gave us the full picture of the beautiful view that we wanted to capture. By opening those up, you walk right on to a stunning balcony, and it is just picture perfect in here. Something else that we did to really highlight the bed wall is we used a grass cloth wallpaper that is just so beautiful. We also hung pendants over the nightstands, which is a little bit different than a traditional lamp, but I think it really brings in that added interest and creates a real intimacy within the space. The sitting room that is just to the side of the master bed needed a real touch. It had this heavy granite and it was just so old. So we took this beautiful black Moroccan terracotta tile and we put it floor to ceiling. When the light hits it, it really creates this beautiful play on the tiles because every tile is its own little shape and has its own little unique features and slightly different tone of black. So we just love it. Then you walk into the most grand master bathroom that I maybe have ever seen and was lucky enough to be able to design. So the very first thing when we walked in this space is we knew immediately the arrangement was not going to work. It was not only old, but it was so visually heavy with how much cabinetry there was, and there was a tub that took up an immense amount of space in the bathroom, and there was only one vanity, which for a master, we really like to try and put 2 sinks and 2 vanities. So with some creative rearranging, we completely opened up the space and made it really bright and airy in here. One of my favorite features is the vanity. It's got these black metal legs and this beautiful wood and little brass details that really just bring this really sophisticated, handsome look to the space. Behind the vanities is a beautiful play of tile. It's all Carrara marble, but it's a mix of rectangles and hexagons, and the mirrors and the lighting really bring it all together. Now the floor is where we wanted to create a little pattern, but because it was so big, we needed to consider how busy that pattern was. So what we did is we took some gray patterned clay tile, and by having a little bit of a pattern but not a lot of color, it still gave it that oomph, but it didn't make it overwhelming in the space with pattern. Then of course we had to address the massive tub that was once there. So by ripping that out and putting in a black freestanding tub, it really utilized the space, made it bigger, and just gave a really powerful moment underneath the windows. When our clients said that they wanted a car wash for a shower, we knew it had to be big. So again, creative rearranging, but we got this massive shower in that has a steam room, and it is just so pretty with all the Carrara marble. I think it's pretty fair to say that this master suite has had quite a transformation, and it was such a fun thing to bring to life.